I want you to start a YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to explain to you why now is the best time for you to get started on YouTube, because the opportunity you have in front of you today is the best that it will ever be to start and grow your YouTube channel. So you might be asking, why is now the best time to start a YouTube channel? And I'll tell you, the first reason is because YouTube has shifted the YouTube algorithm to favor new YouTubers. They are giving new YouTubers more chances on the homepage. And you'll notice it when you log on to YouTube to look for a video to watch. You'll see 2 or 3 videos from smaller YouTubers where the algorithm is giving them a chance. It's putting them out there. It's showing their videos to a new audience. So you have the best opportunity to grow a new YouTube channel because the YouTube algorithm is on your side. For the first time ever, back when I started YouTube, we had to grind it out. The YouTube algorithm didn't do us any favors. But today, you have an amazing opportunity in front of you. And why not grab it by both hands and make videos for your audience that's going to grow your channel, that's going to give you the opportunity to help people from all over the world. So now you can no longer use the excuse, the YouTube algorithm's not working for me. It's on your side and it's ready to promote your videos. You just need to publish more videos that your audience is going to enjoy, because that's what the YouTube algorithm is doing. It's looking for videos it thinks your new audience wants to watch. So let's reverse engineer it. You need to create videos that your audience actually wants to watch. Really keep that in mind when you're trying to brainstorm new video ideas, when you're battling to come up with new ideas for your videos. Make videos for your new audience. They're out there and they are craving videos made from you in your own unique way. And that leads us on to point 2. It's the age of AI, and everyone is so scared that this new amazing technology, this AI stuff, is going to take my job away. What I can tell you is that if you build a YouTube channel, if you start your YouTube channel today and you build it around your personal brand of you being yourself, that is going to give you the best way to protect yourself from AI taking over the world. Because I can tell you that no AI, no technology is going to be better at being you than you can be at being you. So starting your YouTube channel and being more human, being more yourself, sharing more of your personality, that is what is going to differentiate you on YouTube from all of the AI slop that is out there. Your experiences are unique. Your journey and what you talk about in your videos is unique to you and your personality. That is going to be the differentiating factor for you to grow your YouTube channel. That is what your viewers are going to connect with and help you build trust over time to get a loyal customer base. And as Kevin Kelly said in his 1,000 True Fans post, you only need 1,000 true fans paying you $100 a year to have an amazing business. Any of us would be happy with a YouTube business paying us $100,000 a year. Would you be happy with that? I would be very happy with that. Get paid $100,000 to be yourself, to share your personality, to share your stories and experiences with your audience. What a win. And that leads us on to our third point, being more human with your audience and being more comfortable sharing your imperfections. The one thing that we all crave in this new AI world is a human connection. And that happens by being more human and sharing that you aren't completely perfect, that you have little quirks and little imperfections in your personality. That's what people are going to crave and connect with. Remember the 1,000 true fans? That's really what we want to do. We want to build a connection with your viewers through your videos. The way that we're building a connection now, it feels like we're spending time with each other, like we're having a chat, like we're having a conversation over coffee. That's the relationships that you want to start building with your true fans. And that's what creates community. And that's what creates community with your viewers. So we've created a community for new YouTubers just like yourself. And we've got 1,000 other YouTubers all starting and growing their YouTube channels together. supporting each other, creating a community for accountability to help us learn and grow so we can accelerate our journey to success on YouTube. So if you're interested in joining a like-minded community of new YouTubers, then I'll leave a link for you down below. And speaking of community and the amazing network that you can create in a community, that leads us into point 4 of why you should start a YouTube channel today. And it's the unlimited upside opportunity that you get access to with the leverage that YouTube provides for you. Think of it like this: every video that you create and publish on your YouTube channel is like a little digital seed that you're planting out there that can grow day and night into this amazing tree. You do the work once and it keeps working for you. And that's the exciting thing, that a YouTube channel with lots of videos published, once you've got an entire library of videos published on your YouTube channel, you can start to see the compounding effect of building out these digital assets that are going to work for you. It's so different to working a job where you get paid a salary, where you know there's a ceiling to that salary. There's a limit to how much you can earn. Doesn't matter how much time and effort you put into your job. There's a limit at the top there. Same as selling your time. We all have a limited amount of time. There's only so many things you can do in the hours that you have available during the day. So there's a limit, there's a ceiling that gets cut off if you're performing a job where you charge per hour. You don't need to limit yourself. YouTube gives you the greatest opportunity to have no ceiling, to have unlimited upside. And that's what I want for you. I want you to start planting your little YouTube seeds today. Start growing these amazing things that are going to work for you for years to come. It's going to open up amazing opportunities. YouTube's going to challenge you. It's not going to be easy, but it is so worthwhile. It's an amazing journey to be on. So come and join us on this journey. And I want to ask you a favor. I want to start making more videos that help you grow your YouTube channel. So for those loyal viewers that are still watching this video, yes, I'm talking to you. Thank you for watching this video all the way up to this point. I want you to comment down below, what video can I make for you to help you grow your YouTube channel? What are you struggling with? What do you need help with? What systems do you need or guidance do you need in order to get that breakthrough for your YouTube channel? I cannot wait to help you, and I cannot wait to see your comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.